Computers are one of the most significant inventions ever made. Nearly everything in our human civilization runs on and benefits from computers. This revolutionized the industry, society, education, finance, medicine, and many other areas. Today, computers are everywhere and it's hard to imagine a world without them.
Hello everyone, we're from Group Starlight. We'll be sharing our presentation about computer network. But before that, I am Aina.
I am Damya.
And I am Ainul. So guys, what are we going to talk about computer network?
Well, we are going to explore the definition of computer network, the objectives of computer network, several types of computer network, courses that relates with computer networking, and last but not least, the best practices of computer network in daily life.
Phew, that sounds a lot.
It is indeed a lot to share with you guys, but we will assure you guys that it will be fun and will end before you would expect it.
So what are we waiting for? Let's dive in.
Starting from the core of our topic, network is defined as the connection of at least two or more computer systems, either by cable or wireless.
So like, is internet a network?
Yes, internet is indeed one of the examples of wireless network.
Oh, so is computer network gonna be like the connection of several computing devices?
Very good, Aina. That's precisely what computer network means. A group of interconnected nodes or computing devices that exchange data and resources with each other.
I see. But why does computer network exist? I mean, what is it for? What are the objectives?
Whoa, slow down Aina. I've read about it before. Basically, computer network helps humankind in many ways. One of it is by sharing resources like programs, data, and hardware to anyone that has access to the network.
Oh, so we can share tons of information with anyone through the internet, is it?
Yes, that's true.
And then, computer network also saves people a lot of money by reducing costs of hardware, software, and maintenance because we share printers, files, and data storage.
Oh, but is the information we kept in the network safe?
Yes, Aina, they are safe because computer network has high reliability on improving and maintaining its performance by acquiring different authority of supply. This is to make sure that all the users will get the best experience when using the network.
Wow, that's great.
Do you guys know that computer network also helps improve the network performance and accessibility of the system for users to have the best experience when using the network?
Oh, really? But how?
Let me tell you how. It is done by inserting one or more processors into it as its workload grows, so that it won't be lagging when there's too many data in the system.
Ah, I see. Oh, and lastly, I know that computer network acts as communication medium for the users because it can immediately identify a document that has been refreshed on the network.
That's very good, Aina.
I have something that I'm really curious about. We've been learning about the objectives and the definition of computer network, but I still couldn't get a bigger picture of what computer network is actually about.
What is it, Damya?
How many types of computer network do we have?
Oh, actually, we have 4 types of computer network. We have LAN, PAN, MAN, and WAN. So, first and foremost, LAN stands for Local Area Network. It is a group of computers that are connected to each other in small areas, such as in a house or in an office. This network connects 2 or more personal computers through a communication medium. It is said that less cost is used for this type of network, so most of the people use local area network to connect and go online. The closest example we have around here is Wi-Fi in our home or in the school. We have LAN, PAN, MAN, and WAN.
Moving on to the next one, which is Personal Area Network, aka PAN. PAN is a network arranged within an individual person with a specific range. This network connects the computer devices of personal use. The range area of this network is approximately 30 feet within the center of connection.
Oh, so it is like personal hotspot that we share with our friends, right?
Yep, that's right. Another example of personal area network is connecting your Bluetooth headphone to your phone to listen to music.
That's cool. What about the other 2 computer network?
We have LAN, PAN, MAN, and WAN. The third one is Metropolitan Area Network, which is known as MAN. MAN covers a larger geographic area. Various LANs are connected through a telephone exchange line. It also has a higher range than local area network. Usually, we will find this kind of network in a town or big city. For example, cable TV network and telephone network. We have LAN, PAN, MAN, and WAN.
Lastly, we have Wide Area Network, or mostly known as WAN. WAN is a network that extends over a large geographical area. It is indeed bigger than LAN and MAN. It is also not limited to a single location, as it spans over a large geographical area throughout a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or satellite links. One of the examples of WAN is the Internet. It is also known as the biggest one in the world.
Oh, I see. Is there anything else?
We have LAN, PAN, MAN, and WAN. Oh, I forgot to add something. Let's go back to personal area network. PAN is divided into two types. The first one is wired personal area network, and the other is wireless personal area network. Wired personal area network are devices that are connected through a network by a cable, mostly by using UTP cables that can be seen on the right corner in the slide. Wired PAN has limited range of access and so not convenient from many aspects, but it has faster connection speeds.
For the wireless WAN, it's based around a central communication devices called wireless access point (WAP). It has a wide range of access, very convenient, but the cons is it has lower transfer speeds compared to wired PAN.
Oh, that's very interesting. I think I've mastered all the types of computer network now. Just ask me anything and I won't disappoint you.
Wow, someone's talking big now. Let's see later. I wonder if there are courses which related to computer network because I feel like it is very interesting to learn about.
Let's look here to search for the info.
As is stated here, courses are fundamental of network communication, secure network system with firewall, hardware and network troubleshooting, and the bits and bytes of computer networking.
Hey, what is that? Are you using an alien language right now?
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand.
I haven't finished my word, so let's moving on to the next slide.
Let's go!
In Fundamental of Network Communication, we will know on how to trace the evolution of network. We will also know on how to identify the key concepts and functions that will form the basis for layered architecture.
I don't want to learn about architecture, Ainul.
Yes, I know. So generally, this course will teach us on how to focus on error control techniques that may include parity check and polynomial code.
Oh, is the picture here shows the error that always happened in the polynomial code?
Yes, it is.
This is not my type at all.
As is stated here, courses are fundamental of network communication, secure network system with firewall, hardware and network troubleshooting, and the bits and bytes of computer networking.
Hey, what is that? Are you using an alien language right now?
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand.
I haven't finished my word, so let's moving on to the next slide.
Let's go!
I didn't ask, so the second course is about securing network system with firewall. As you all know, firewall is a network security that monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic that is based on the defined security rules.
Wow, that seems interesting to me as I love to see traffic light on the road.
Girl, it's not traffic light on the road, please.
As is stated here, courses are fundamental of network communication, secure network system with firewall, hardware and network troubleshooting, and the bits and bytes of computer networking.
Hey, what is that? Are you using an alien language right now?
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand.
I haven't finished my word, so let's moving on to the next slide.
Let's go!
Enough about that, moving on to the next course. It is called Hardware and Network Troubleshooting, where we will know about the skills to set up, configure and troubleshoot devices, network and system. We will also gain a solid understanding of hardware and networking concepts, which may include troubleshooting techniques for laptop, mobile devices and videos.
Yes, I love this. I've read somewhere about this info. There are 5 steps of troubleshooting, right? The first one is to gather some info, then we have to carry out analysis and planning. The third one is to implement the solution. Next, we have to confirm about the assessment of the effectiveness of the solution. And the last one is about the documentation of the incident. Am I right?
Yes, it is. Wow, you have done a very flawless research of this course.
Is there any courses that involve calculation? I'm so bored about those courses.
There's the last one I've searched about, which is the bits and bytes of computer networking. I'm pretty sure that all of you have heard about 1 kilobyte, 3 megabytes, and gigabytes, right? As is stated here, courses are fundamental of network communication, secure network system with firewall, hardware and network troubleshooting, and the bits and bytes of computer networking.
Hey, what is that? Are you using an alien language right now?
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand.
I haven't finished my word, so let's moving on to the next slide.
Let's go!
Yeah, and we really love when the amount is very big.
Whoa, relax. This course will teach us about the standard unit of the digital data transmitted over network connection. I've pictured the example here.
Wow, this is really my type.
Anyways, how do we practice all of this in daily life?
That is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me tell you.
As is stated here, courses are fundamental of network communication, secure network system with firewall, hardware and network troubleshooting, and the bits and bytes of computer networking.
Hey, what is that? Are you using an alien language right now?
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand.
I haven't finished my word, so let's moving on to the next slide.
Let's go! ATM machine? What do you want to do with it? I don't want to withdraw any money.
No. It is one of the things that involve computer networking, as there is a setup which enables the machine to withdraw money in the correct amount. And I think it is very good for us as it will save more time and save the manpower. The next one is broadcast programs live across the globe, and this can help people to watch live programs internationally, perhaps, which will save us more time rather than going there just to watch it.
May I ask, is communication does not involve in this computer network?
Hey, I didn't say that. The computer network also involves in communication, which enable us to reach out people in a long distance.
Wow, interesting!
The last one is the effective password management, which we frequently use in setting up our own password and is very important in protecting the network from insider threats.
Wow, we have reached the end of our wonderful discussion about the computer network. I hope this informative slide will benefit all of us and you guys who are watching this video. Thank you for supporting our video. Don't forget to give a click thumbs up and see you guys soon.